Today we are going to study class 8 English grammar. In English grammar we are going to study chapter 1 which name is noun and its cases. Okay, now we are going to study. If you didn't subscribe my channel then please subscribe my channel. Okay, now we are going to start. Read the following sentences carefully. Rohit is a scientist. He lives in Hyderabad. The Charminar is a beautiful building. Beauty of Kashmir is praisable. A noun is a word which names a person, place, animal, quality, feeling, action, or a thing that we can think of. Okay. Now we are going to study about kinds of noun. The noun are of 5 types. How many? 5 types. Which is proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. Now we are going to study one by one. Okay. First we are going to study proper noun. Now what is proper noun? A proper noun denotes a particular person, place, or thing. It begins with a capital letter. Okay. Always proper noun begin with a capital letter like Aman, Avani, Taj Mahal, Simmi, Bible, Ganga, Mumbai, etc. Okay. So this is the proper name that is called proper noun. Okay. Proper name of person, place, things, that is called proper noun. Okay. And always begin with a capital letter. Now common noun. What is common noun is? A common noun names persons, place, or object of the same kind. Okay. This is same kind and this is proper. For example, park, temple, village, book, river, pencil, woman, etc. So this is called common noun. Now we are going to study about collective noun. What is collective noun is? A collective noun names a group or a class of similar things or persons taken together and spoken of as one whole. Okay, so that is called collective noun. When we talk about together, a person taken together and spoken as one whole, that is called collective noun. For example, a team of players, a crowd of people, a bunch of keys, a bouquet of flowers. So that is called collective noun. Okay, next, material noun. What is material noun is? A material noun names material or substances that we can see and touch, use, and ingredients for making things. For example, wood, soil, gold, iron, paper, wheat, water, etc. These all things are called material noun. Okay. Now abstract noun. What is abstract noun is? An abstract noun names emotions or qualities in persons, animals, or things which we cannot see or touch. Okay. So we cannot see and touch abstract noun. For example, beauty, poverty, childhood, honesty, cruelty, life, friendship, etc. These all things are called abstract noun. Noun case. Okay. Noun may be used as the subject or the object of verb in a sentence. Okay. It may be also be used to show possession, subjective or nominative case. When a noun is used as the subject of a verb, it is said to be in the subjective case. Okay. For example, all the students are present in the class. What is subject? All the students are subject. And what is predicate? Predicates are present in the class. Okay. So this is subject and this is predicate. Now the noun all the students is the subject of the sentence, hence it is in the subjective case or nominative case. Okay. Now object or accusative case. Okay. When a noun, what is objective or accusative case? When a noun is used as the object of a verb, it is said to be in the objective case. For example, the farmer plowed his field. This is verb and this is objective case. Okay. Now dative case. So what is dative case is? When a noun or pronoun plays the role of an indirect object in a sentence, it is said to be in the dative case. Okay, for example, he gave me some money. So where this is verb, this is indirect object, and this is direct object, and this is dative case. Okay, now possessive case. Okay, this is possessive case. What is possessive case? Is when a noun or a pronoun show possession, it is said to be in the possessive case. Okay, for example, madam's book fall into ditch. So this is possessive case, madam's. Okay, this is called possessive case. Okay, whose book is madam's books. So this is called possessive case. Now formation of the possessive case. So what is formation of the possessive case? Is when the noun is singular, the possessive case is formed by adding s to the noun. Okay, like the house of my uncle, my uncle's house. So this is the house of my uncle's. When we write in formation of possessive case, this will become my uncle's house. Okay, when the noun is plural and in s, the possessive sign is formed by adding just an apostrophe after s. For example, the school meet for girls, we will write in the girls school. Okay, so this will become the girls school. Now third, when a noun is plural but does not end in s, okay, the possessive is formed by adding s. For example, the college for women will become women's college. Okay, now fourth, when two nouns are opposition and possessive sign input is put to the letter only, that is Amitabh, the actor's house. Okay, this will become actor's house. Also, when two nouns are closely connected and possessive is put to the letter Aman and Naman's school. Okay,